Team Dreams, a new perspective of learning. IELTS, PTE, DET, TOEFL, GRE, OET. Find a way to clear your exam without any worry. Dreams has enabled students to score outstanding. Our mission and vision are fueled by the set of core values to which Dreams is fully committed. Constant monitoring and evaluation of progress to ensure sustainability. We specialize in creating a lasting impression. 10 days foundation classes, be precious, be learned. Small batch size, more than 10 mock tests, skill building session, pattern based writing and speaking methods, fluency in expression, impact in communication, tough situation, dream school, language station. We teach how to fall in love with the learning process. Weekend batches 2 available, online coaching with flexible timings. Dreams, your pathway to excellence.